Hi there! Welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll walk you through setting up the Product Image Crop widget, helping you display product images in a clean and consistent style that enhances your store's look and feel. All right, let's dive in. Accessing the widget. To access the Product Image Crop widget, open your customized Debutify theme. To enable or disable it, go to Theme Settings, Free Widgets. After enabling the setting, go to Product Image Crop Settings. Here you can customize all settings. Crop Ratio defines the shape or aspect ratio of your product images. You can choose from 7 display options. 16 by 9, ideal for wide rectangular images, often used in banners. 3:2, balanced rectangular ratio, great for most product images. 4:3, slightly taller ratio, suitable for close-up product shots. 1:1, perfect square crop, common for product grids or thumbnails. 3:4, taller layout, best for vertical or portrait-style images. 2:3, classic portrait ratio, provides a tall and elegant look. 4 circle, crops images into a circular frame for a unique, modern display. 5 crop position, determines which part of the image stays visible when cropping. You can choose from 9 display options. Top left, focuses on the upper left area of the image. Top center, keeps the top middle part of the image visible. Top right, highlights the upper right section of the image. Middle left, centers the crop vertically, aligned to the left. Middle center, keeps the image perfectly centered. Middle right, centers vertically, aligned to the right. Bottom left, focuses on the lower left area of the image. Bottom center, keeps the bottom middle section visible. Bottom right, highlights the lower right area of the image. And that's it! You've successfully set up the Product Image Crop widget, giving your product images a polished and professional look while creating a more engaging shopping experience for your customers. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with the Debutify theme!